Welcome to the latest in the Light Aircraft Company videos. Today we will be dealing with aircraft cleaning and demonstrating CavOk. I think it would be fair to say that most aviators are familiar with an aerosol product called Plexus. CavOk is a similar, more environmentally friendly non-aerosol version of that product, formulated to clean, protect and minimise micro scratching on aircraft windscreens, side windows and transparencies. Firstly, some quick do's and don'ts. CavOk has not been formulated to remove heavy soiling contamination, especially dry dust from aircraft screens. If you have that sort of contamination, the first thing that should be done is a screen should be washed with a ready supply of clean water and use your bare hand. Your hand will very quickly tell you where the contamination is, and it is unlikely to scratch the surface. CavOk comes supplied in a 500ml trigger spray with switchable nozzle and two close weave microfibre cloths specifically designed for the cleaning of transparencies. Do not use these for any other purpose. And when soiled, they can be laundered in the normal fashion, but do not use any fabric conditioner in the final rinse process of the wash. Using fabric conditioner eliminates a lot of the benefits that the cloth brings. Once the screen has dried, or if the contamination is airborne based such as fly soiling, simply apply CavOk to the surface and using a closed texture microfibre cloth specifically designed for cleaning transparencies, using vertical strokes top to bottom clean the screen. Do not use a circular motion. Rotate the cloth regularly to avoid rubbing contamination into the surface, and a final buff then completes the cleaning process. CavOk can be used on both internal and external surfaces of the aircraft screens and transparencies. Regular and repeated use of CavOk ensures that the raw materials within the product provide a micro thin protective layer that assists with future cleaning and maintenance of the surface. CavOk is available directly from the Light Aircraft Company and is available from our webshop. It's also available from Hooley's Pilot Supply and also FLYLIGHT based at Sywell. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and circulate to anybody that you feel would gain benefit from this product.